Okay, so one of the first skills we need to have for working with these ionic compounds is be able to determine the chemical formula for an ionic compound. Okay, so if I give you a couple ions, a cation, a positively charged ion, and an anion, negatively charged ion, be able to predict what the compound is it's going to form. Okay, and this is a step-by-step process here. So first, I'm going to write down the ions of each element with their charge. So the symbol with its charge. Determine the number each of each ion it takes to make a compound with no charge. So we need the positive charge to cancel out the negative charge. Okay, they need to be equal positive to negative. So how many of each of these ions do we need for that to happen? Okay, you can do this with the Lewis dot structures like we have, moving electrons around, or you can do it the quick and easy way I'll show you in a second with this cross multiplying. Okay, you write down the formulas with the subscripts to show how many of each ion it took. Okay, so let's look at an example here. If we want to know how magnesium and phosphorus are going to form a compound, an ionic compound. Magnesium is our positively charged ion. Phosphorus is a negatively charged ion. Okay, now we could do the electron dot deal, or we could just do this fancy little trick. We take the charge number of the magnesium, and we put that as a subscript for the phosphorus. And then we take the charge from the phosphorus, put it as a subscript for the magnesium, and we get 3 magnesiums, 2 phosphorus. Okay, now let's check and see if that matches. Those charges cancel out. Magnesium has a +2, and there's 3 of them, so that makes 3 times +2. That would be a +6. No, back. Okay. So 3 times 2, we have +6. And we have 2 times -3, so it'll be a -6. Boom, they cancel out. The trick works. Okay, so you can just do that cross multiplication. You might have to reduce them to get it right. You might have to do a little reduction afterwards, but it's a quick and easy way to figure out the chemical compounds they form. All right, so we got some practice here. Now pause this. Try these on your own, you guys. Don't just wait for me to do them as an example. Try them on your own. If you really don't know how to do it, go watch my little example again and do it for yourself. And then check yourself with my answers.